How to create Kraken account. Now, in order to create your account on Kraken Exchange, you first need to download and install its application in your device. For that, you just have to simply open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Kraken Exchange. Now once you are able to find its application, you just have to simply download and install it in your device. Now once you have successfully installed it, you need to tap on the open button in order to open the application, and once you have successfully opened it, the interface of this application will look something like this. Now over here it will ask you to create your account, so we want to create our account, so tap on the create account option, then provide your email address over here and create a strong password for your account. It will also ask you to verify your email address, so you just have to simply verify your email address with the link or with the 6-digit code. Once done, your Kraken account will be created, and this type of home page you will be able to see. Now in the second step, you need to verify your identity. So if you want to know how to verify your identity on Kraken, you can go to the channel and you can watch that video as well. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.